What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about the TransUnion hack update. This is one of those things that people overcomplicate, but it is actually a straight step-by-step play if you know how to move. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Credit Karma app. Once you are in there, go ahead and select credit. Then you are going to scroll down until you see where it says view your report. From there, find your collection account. Once you find it, you are going to scroll down again and select dispute and error. Keep it moving. Scroll again until you see the accuracy reason. When you see that screen, you're going to scroll one more time and select account is involved in. Do not select reason 2. That is important. Now in the additional comment section, this is where the sauce goes. This is exactly what you paste in. I have not supplied proof under the doctrine of estoppel by silence, Engelhardt versus Gravens, Missouri, 281, 715, 719. I presume that no proof of the alleged debt, nor therefore any such debt in fact therefore exists. You paste that in. Hit continue. Select I understand and agree. And then last but not least, hit submit. And just like that, you are done. Now here's what I want you to understand. The reason this works is because TransUnion has obligations they rarely meet. When you call out the doctrine of estoppel by silence, you are forcing them into a position where their failure to supply proof ends up being an admission that no proof exists. This is not about gaming the system. This is about using the actual rules of credit to your advantage. The average person will go years paying collections that are not even provable, and that is money straight down the drain. When you know these plays, you stop leaking money and you start controlling your profile. Once your profile is clean, that is when the real opportunities open up, because approvals hit different when nothing negative is weighing you down. And this ties directly into why the network focuses on trending packages. When we put a package in front of you, it is never random. If the Freedom package is being highlighted right now, it is because that is the fastest flip back at this moment. Sometimes that wave is a loan method, sometimes it is an iPhone method, sometimes it is another lane completely. The point is, you do not have to guess. The network tracks thousands of data points every month. We talk to thousands of people. We know what is hitting right now, so you can just lock in and move with confidence. Availability on the Freedom package is limited. If you want to know if there is still a spot message, the network on Discord directly, it is posted daily in the Discord chat as well. Do not waste time waiting around because these move like stocks. Remember, everything here is for educational purposes only. If you need personal help, contact the network directly on Discord. Telegram is no longer reliable. If you want daily updates, make sure you follow the network on Instagram at instagram.com/thenetworklink. And one last reminder before we close out, Patreon is only $50 per month right now. Anybody who locks in at that price will stay locked in for life even when the price goes up later. Every single YouTube video has a full step-by-step method attached inside Patreon. So if you really want the breakdowns, do not sleep on that. Stay locked in with the network, and I will see you in the next one.